We finally made it to Honolulu Airport. Now we're waiting for our Uber ride to go to our Airbnb. The air feels different. It's more humid. It's not super humid, but more humid than San Diego for sure. But it feels nice. Alright, we just got into our Airbnb. Nice sink and stove. The bed looks just like the picture in Airbnb app. Very nice. It's nighttime, so we won't be able to see much. Let me see if we can see anything.
Oh yeah, you
here.
can see.
Let me see.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see if I can open this. Oh wow! Hey, this is a nice view. Aloha. Whoa, this is whoa. Okay, we're at 38th floor. Oh my God, this is kind of scary. Let me see if I can show you. Oh my gosh.
That is water. River.
Yeah, that's the canal. Okay, so we'll have a better view in the morning.
The next day.
So I just woke up. This is our first morning in Hawaii. And look at our view. Wow. We couldn't see any of these because it was so dark last night. The view from our room is amazing. Oh, look at that mountain over there. Oh, you can kind of see the ocean. Actually, you can see a lot of ocean. So I just came down from our hotel room, and I thought I heard chicken like a cry in the morning when I opened the window. And look, wild chicken just roaming around. I heard about the chickens here just being on the street and everywhere, and it's true. I think this chicken is trying to cross the road. Okay, so we just got to Hanauma Bay, the waiting area. So we made a reservation online. Oh, look at that nice volcanic mountain in the back. So we made a reservation online, and we were so they don't even let you in unless you have a reservation here. So make sure you make a reservation before you come here on their website. got to Hanauma Bay after the nice short tram ride. Wow, it's so beautiful here. I see why this became a reserve and such a popular spot for the tourists, but also a long time ago, this is where the royal family hung out. Yeah, I can totally see why that was. Man, I don't know if my camera will pick up the color of the water. Man, it's like an emerald. It's like emerald blue. That's what I can say. It's so beautiful here. And then even though this is reservation only unless you're a resident here, so many people. But they have a certain time slot to come and enjoy. So to limit the people here. But it's so nice. Wow. We didn't get to eat breakfast yet, so we're gonna eat some spam musubi before we start snorkeling over there. Let me see if I can eat it with one hand. Let's see. Try this one here. Oh my god, this is double spam? So what's going on here? Oh wow, this is so good. Okay, after eating this, we're gonna be ready for snorkeling. Let me take one more bite. Oops. All right. Okay, so my son's gonna try spam musubi. Okay, that's the double layer spam musubi, right? Okay. Nope, don't eat the fork. It's good. Yeah, it was really good. So water right here is not like a warm water, I wouldn't say, but it kind of feels like a heated pool water, but a little bit cooler than heated pool. But it's still it's not so cold that makes you want to scream and get out. It's kind of comfortable temperature. It's end of March right now, beginning of April. It feels really nice, and once you kind of dive in one time, you're good after that.